Okay, Blob the Cop. I have to admit this is the second time round because I'm sure you're aware if you watched my videos. Why would you, first of all? I mean, to see the games, fine. To hear me talking, there's no reason for you to hear that. Yeah, so the second time round, the first time round, the sound of the game sound was just way too loud. And you couldn't hear me talking. Not that I had anything important to say, you just couldn't hear me talking. Most of the game is pretty quiet. I say when pretty quiet, I mean it's actually like just dead silent. You just get certain parts of the game that just have really obnoxious noise. Um, but I was playing it on 48K mode. I'm using the Specky emulator. I've loaded it up in +2 mode. I'm not expecting anything different. Anyway, so this is Blob the Cop, which was a game that came free with Sinclair User. Probably like 88, 89, I guess. So the first time round, which you won't see, is the first time I've played it for probably that long. So couldn't work out what I was doing. The second time playing, I played it twice on the video. You're not going to see. And I kind of got a bit more of a gist of it. There's a code system that you got to do. And then it allows you to pick things out of letterboxes, and which means that, and then you clear areas so you can move on. You'll see. Anyway, the control system is terrible. Q and W is left and right. E is jump or up, and T is fire. So it makes no sense why the Andy 7 decided that Q, W, E and T were good control systems or methods. Anyway, let's go. So here's the map, and you've got to clear 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You've got to clear 18 areas. You get 1 life. The blue bar at the top, there's 2 blue bars. The first blue bar is an area progress indicator. So there's a red oblong rectangle that you see in the second bar, but the red oblong would appear in the first bar at either end of the bar, and then as you move along it moves accordingly in the direction you're heading, and then it gets to the other end. Then you're at the end of that level. That's it. Or area. The second one is your health bar. You only get 1 life. So you need to stay alive for 18 of those things. And I mean, it seems easy to begin with because the health bar goes down fairly slow and you think, oh, this is alright. And then you realise, oh, I've only cleared 2 rounds and my health is almost at the bottom, and yeah, there's another 16 to go. So yeah, it's not so easy. Anyway, let's go and do it. Get ready. Just like the arcades. Space Harrier. I wish it had the voice. That was one of the main reasons why you'd play those Sega games, because it would have like talking. I'm not going to attempt to do it. That's just, yeah. Actually, any game that had talking in it was cool. I think Gauntlet had talking in it, and that's an old game. But I'm talking about like the later 80s ones. Oh, there you go. He's got a little helicopter that he can fly around with, and I don't really understand why he needs the helicopter. You can't go down. Oh, you can go down. R is down. So you got to get. I've got to get these in the correct order. And there you are. See, I didn't know what I was doing when I tried to do it first time round. Virus disks. Oh, yeah. Collect those. Right, area clear. That's weird. Why would it... See, I don't get where the helicopter went, why it even appeared, why you need it. It's cool. It's... Oh, there he is. I don't know... Did I do something to trigger it? I don't know. Anyway. There. Right, let's try and get rid of... Right, so inside to out. You have to do it in order, you see. Right, 1, 2, 3. Bog grass. You can choose... Now, I've done that area, so I need to go to this one. Yeah, you can choose the area... There. Whatever. Right. Now, actually, I'm not doing so bad. He says... Oh, no, he says... He's doing a lot of saying. Yes. Here we go. Let's see. Right, so I managed to clear 2 areas. Yeah, so the thing is, this guy's so big, right? You can't duck, right? Your options are turn back. No, I don't know. Turn back. I don't know how that helicopter... I got that. Turn back. Sorry. To jump over stuff which doesn't really happen. Get hit. Right. Or just try and shoot things. But it's difficult. Come on, come on, come on. Let's get to the end. I wanna clear 3 areas. Got you. Absolutely nothing. That's good. That means that I'm... Right, I need to... here we go. Now, this... I think this is the furthest I've ever been in the game. I mean, it's possible that I went further when I was, like, 12 or something like that, or 13. I mean, you know... But, I mean, it's all right. It's not a bad game, in all honesty, for a freebie from a magazine. Yeah, it's not a bad game. The graphics are nice. The sound is terrible. I mean, the graphics would be better if the Specky emulator actually played the graphics without glitching. Oh, 1 second left. loopy. Yeah, if it weren't glitching. But I mean, it's nice. And if you look at the animation is really good. You get the. You know what I like? And it's really silly. The little pixels that bounce up and down on the bottom of the screen, like the little insects or something. You'll see them eventually, if I don't die. There. See? It's a silly little thing, but I like that. It shows a little bit of, a little bit of attention to detail. I mean, the whole thing's got attention to detail. It plays quite nice. I just wish that, you know, more chance of deflecting attacks and things. I can't. This is amazing. I'm gonna die now, but I'm so pleased. I've cleared 4 areas, 5 areas, 5? I don't know. Yeah. So there you go. Alas, you have. You'll be buried at sea to restart the. God, who writes this rubbish? Yeah. Yeah, there you go. Blob the Cop. I was going to say Robo-Cop. It's like the Irish version of Robocop, isn't it? Robo-Cop. Oh, don't do the accent. That's terrible. Yeah, sorry about that. Yeah, Blob the Cop. And, it's alright, it's not bad. Not bad. I wish the graphics weren't glitching. The sound was better. And probably another life would be nice. Yeah. And that's it. Okay, and I probably won't play the game again for another 30 years. Maybe I will. I doubt it. So yeah, in which case, oh please don't. Yeah, it's not even worth thinking about. Alright then, see you later. Bye.